Okay, so let me show you where everything is here briefly. I'm going to try to put everything under resources. And so this will be the folder for the lectures. This is the folder for today's lecture. It has the PowerPoint notes. It has a YouTube link that contains the video for the lecture today and also the Excel file for all the calculations we did in class. So if you click on that, okay, so there's the lecture notes, there's the video for the lecture today, and there are all the calculations we did with Excel. Okay, so that's one thing you need to know. The other thing is where the homeworks are. Okay, so this is the homework folder. Again, under resources, everything's under resources. Okay, click on resources. The homework is here. And so this is the homework for the chapter that we're on. These are the homework problems, and so I want to open this up rather briefly because these two go together. So this is the Excel file with the homework. You'll just put your answers in the Excel file and email this back to me. Okay. And so this is the first problem. So you'll write your answer. You might need more space. You can always increase that. Okay. So the first one, I'm giving you a normal distribution, and I'm asking you basically the percentiles here. Okay. Here I want the probability that the gas is going to be between these two values. So you can get the probability that it's less than this value, and you can get the probability that it's less than this value, and you can subtract the two for this. Problem 2, it's the same thing with the gas prices, but here you're going from a percentile to a data value. Okay. Notice here I'm asking you about the middle 50% of the gas prices. So I want to know what gas price do the middle 50% of the gas prices fall between. So here you're going to calculate the first quartile and the third quartile. So you're actually going to have two answers here. Okay, this will be the first quartile. This will be the third quartile. Okay, and these will be the values that 50% of the data values will fall between. It's not a bad thing, even though I'm not going to grade you on this. It's not a bad thing to make pictures, like we did in class, and try to understand what's going on here. I think it'll really help you a lot. Here's just kind of a word problem. Okay, you'll put your answers in here again. You can go over or make more room. A very good thing to do is to do calculations off to the side. Okay, so I didn't set this up for you, but I might put my mean, my standard deviation. I might do my calculations and kind of label them off to the side. It's kind of nice to have your work organized and everything. Makes it easier for me to grade too. Okay, problem 4. Again, this is another word problem. Problem 5 is another word problem. Okay, and problem 6 is the one that's a little complicated. Okay, so let me explain this. I'm asking you to make a histogram and then compute some of the theoretical values that you're going to compare to what's expected from a normal distribution. Okay, now let me explain very carefully. This is a sample problem that I did. Okay, this is not the homework, but this is a problem that I did on my own to show you how to do problem 6, and I made a video. Let me go back one. Okay, this is the video that explains this part. Okay, so when you get to problem 6, click on this tab, open up the video, and see if you can reproduce what I did. And if you can, then you're ready for problem 6. If you can't, just go ahead and call me. I'll be more than happy to step you through. But let me be really clear, okay? When you get to problem 6, go to this sheet first, because you're going to have to do the same things. Okay, open this video, and let me just do it while we're here. So this video is designed to show you a couple of things. Okay, so this video corresponds to this, and it's going to show you everything you need to do problem 6. Okay, and that's all you need to know. So now you know in the future, let me get back to where I was. You know where everything is, and you'll be able to go ahead and get this. And I'll always post everything by midnight of the night that we have class. I'll try to do it before then. I just couldn't this week, but it is before midnight. I'll always do it before midnight. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Don't get stuck. Don't get confused. A lot of this is learning how to translate, okay, word problems into statistics and math. And it's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. It's not something magical. It doesn't mean that you can't do it. It's just something you have to learn. And you know, that's what I'm here for, to help you when you have trouble. So if you run into any difficulties, I know this is new, feel free to contact me, and I'm more than happy to help you. Okay, thanks a lot. Good luck. And again, just let me know if you run into any difficulties.